All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean McClendon with Math Swap Tutoring with another SAT type problem for you. This is a problem that I adapted from a real SAT problem, so it's not quite the same, but it's similar. Now, it reads as follows. A cylindrical can containing beans is filled to the top with water before being sealed. The base of the can has an area of 75 centimeters. I'm sorry, I need to write some of these values in here because I couldn't type them. So it's 75 meters squared, centimeters squared, and the height of the can is 10 centimeters. If 40 cubic centimeters of water is needed to fill the can to the top, how much is the volume of beans in the can? So let's kind of fill in this information. I like to draw pictures. So here's a picture. So you have this cylindrical can, the base of the can, which of course is circular, has an area of 75, sorry about that, 75 square centimeters. And the height of the can is 10 centimeters. Okay, now let's think about how we want to get our answer here. We need 40 centimeters of water, but if we want to know how many beans are in the can, then if we know how much water to put in there to fill it to the top, then if we can find the volume of this can, subtract the volume of water to put into the can to fill it, then we'll know how many beans fit into this can. Okay. Now we can use the area and the height to find the volume. So I will say this: you can find the formula for volume in probably with the SAT. They usually give you those formulas, but you don't need that. Anytime you have, for example, the base of this is a circle, and that's the area. That's area when you measure that. Now, when you take it to a third dimension, height, all you have to do is multiply the area by height to get the volume. That's all you have to do. You don't have to remember the equation for volume of a cylinder. So the volume of this cylinder is going to be the area of the base times the height of the cylinder. It's going to be equal to 75 square centimeters times 10 centimeters. It's going to be equal to 750 cubic centimeters. Now, 40 cubic centimeters of water will fill this can. So subtract that from this, then we'll have the volume of the beans in the can, right? 750 minus 40, 710. That is your volume of beans. Okay, let me know if you got that. Let me know if you got that. That's a geometry type problem, short and sweet. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.